Good morning, students. Yesterday I taught you three-dimensional shape, and now your chapter is volume and surface area of solids. इस चैप्टर को पढ़ाने के पहले मैं तुम्हें एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ कि जब विद्यालय खुलेगा उसके बाद में भी चांस है, कम टाइम मिलेगा कोर्स करने का, तो जितनी भी चीज़ें पढ़ाई जा रही हैं अभी सभी बच्चों को मैं पर डे देखता हूँ कि कुछ बच्चे ही वर्क करके व्हाट्सएप में डाल रहे हैं। इसलिए सभी लोग अपना पूरा वर्क करो, करने के बाद जो क्वेश्चन नहीं आते हैं उनको व्हाट्सएप में डाल दीजिए। उन क्वेश्चनों का सलूशन मैं जैसे ही मौका मिलेगा तुरंत आपको भेज दूँगा। इसलिए फिर मैं एक बार बोल रहा हूँ कि सभी लोग अपना वर्क कंप्लीट करते रहिए। नाउ वी कम इन आवर चैप्टर सरफेस एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉलिड्स। फर्स्टली यू नो व्हाट इज सॉलिड्स? बॉडीज which have a definite space or shape and also occupied place called solids। ऐसे बॉडीज जो निश्चित आकृति हो, जगह घेरे, उनको हम सॉलिड्स कहते हैं। नाउ वी स्टडी सरफेस एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब एंड क्यूबॉइड। In your first exercise, there are only two things, cube and cuboid. In cube and cuboid, you know that cube and cuboid have also 6 faces at vertices and 12 edges, as I told you in previous classes. Now we study the cube and cuboid, volume, diagonal, surface area, lateral surface area. तो firstly you know what is volume, surface and diagonal, total surface area. Firstly you know volume, which anybody which place occupied called its volume। Anybody which occupied any place called volume। कोई भी वस्तु जितना स्थान घेरती है उसको हम उसका आयतन कहते हैं। Now in diagonal, diagonal means विकर्ण। Like in right triangular there are hypotenuse, कर्ण, and in 3D dimensional we say diagonal, विकर्ण। Diagonal is largest length in cube or cuboid। क्यूब और क्यूबॉइड के अंदर जो सबसे बड़ी भुजा बनेगी उसी को हम विकर्ण कहते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज सरफेस एरिया। You can say it total surface area, area of all faces, area of all faces, we can say them total surface area। If you find out all faces area and add them, then you have find out surface area। At last lateral surface area। Lateral surface area means चारों ओर का एरिया। तो चारों ओर कितने फेस होते हैं उसमें? 4। इन दिस box you can see there are 4 lateral surface in 4 sides। Up and down face are not counted in lateral surface, only outer side rounded faces are called lateral surface। Then total face in lateral 4। Now we come in formula। This is cube and this is cuboid। Cube and cuboid। You know, cube, all sides are equal. All, you can say that all faces are square. In second cuboid, all faces are in the form of rectangle, and it has its length, breadth and height. But in cube, it has only side. You can say side, length, breadth and height. Means इसकी लेंथ, ब्रेथ, हाइट सबको हम साइड ही कहते हैं, क्योंकि इसकी सभी साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं। लेकिन क्यूबॉइड में क्या है, लेंथ, ब्रेथ, हाइट डिफरेंस होंगी, इसलिए उनको हम लेंथ, ब्रेथ, हाइट ही बोलेंगे। नाउ वी कम इन वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब। वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड, length into breadth into height. If you multiply length, breadth, height, then you find out volume of cuboid. Diagonal. Diagonal means root L square plus B square plus H square. Or you can say it D square equal L square plus B square plus H square. When you remove root, then root is added in as a D square. So D square equal L square plus B square plus H square. After diagonal, total surface area. Total surface area of cube is 2LB plus BH plus HL. Means L into B, B into H, H into L are added and just double is total surface area. Now lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means, as I told you, that area of four faces around any body. 2 length plus breadth into height. This is lateral surface area. Now indent, cuboid, volume, diagonals, total surface area and lateral surface area. Next is cube. In cube, volume. Formula is same as a cuboid, but in cuboid there are length, breadth, height, and in cube only side. You can write length, side, breadth, side, height, side. So side into side means side to power 3 or side into side. Diagonal of cube. Diagonal of cube. Diagonal of cube, side square plus side square means root 3 side square. When you rooted 3 side square, then you get side into root 3. Total surface area. Total surface area. Now you see side into side square, side into side square, side into side square means length, breadth, height are written as a side besides LBH. Then side into side square and means all term each side square. Side square plus side square means 3 side square and double 6 side square. Surface area. Lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. In lateral surface there are 4 sides. I will told you that in cube, any cube, all faces are square. Then first face area is side square. As square area is side square, first face area is side square. Then 4 faces area equal 4 side square. So lateral surface area is 4 side square. In unit, volume unit in cube, diagonal unit same unit right, not square or cube. Surface area or lateral surface area unit in square. So your first exercise ended. You solve all the question, and if you not solve any question, then write in WhatsApp, sir, I have not done so far 1, 2, 3 question. Thank you.